Hey everybody, I just wanted to provide a quick updated video on census.gov to collect data. The video that we have on our course site right now is a little bit dated. Although all the steps are the same, the appearance of the user interface is a little bit different, so I just wanted to provide a quick update. So we're going to go to data.census.gov, and that'll take us to the US Census Bureau website. And let me make this a little bit bigger, so we'll get the full screen effect because that's lovely. All right, so here we go. First thing we want to do is click Advanced Search, and that'll take us to our filter window where we have the ability to grab different filters. And so for the particular project we're working on at the moment, the topics that we're interested in is actually housing. So I'm going to click on housing, and then we're looking at physical characteristics, and we're looking at heating and air conditioning, or HVAC. So that's what we're doing for this particular project, but this isn't the only filter that we want for our data. The other filter is going to be counties. So let me come back up to geography, and I'll click on county. And now we're going to click on all counties within the United States and Puerto Rico. That's what we want. So we have two filters selected. We've got HVACs, and then we have all counties in the United States. And now we're going to click the search button, which is down there to the bottom right. You'll notice that the very first selection is B25040. That's the table that we're interested in. We could click view all 27 products, but I'm going to skip that and just click on the table directly. Now what I want to do is download the table. So I'll click download. Now you see that we actually have a variety of choices for what table we actually want to download. The 2022 is clicked by default. I'm going to get rid of that one because for the project we're presently working on, we want 2015, and we want the 5-year estimated detailed table. That's the one that we want, so that's the one I'm going to download. So I've selected it. Now I'm going to click download.scv, or CSV, excuse me. Now you'll notice on my site, I've got a download window at the bottom right-hand corner, and it says triggering download. That thing is just going to stay up. And the reason that you're not seeing the actual download, because it should have downloaded, but the reason you're not is because right here it says Firefox prevented this site from opening up a pop-up window. So you're going to see this with Safari, with Chrome, with Firefox. You've got to enable pop-ups or you won't be able to complete the download. So fortunately for Firefox, certainly on the MacBook, there's a little icon right up here. That's the blocked pop-up window. So I'm just going to go up there and click on it. If you don't want to do that, you can click Preferences and get rid of the blocking pop-ups that way. But for me, I'm just going to click on this button here. And now it says Open Pop-up Windows is blocked. I'm going to simply allow it. And then that's it. So then I open the one blocked pop-up window, and here it is. Here's my table. And then the table should have been downloaded into my downloads folder, and here it is. It's this .zip file. So now I need to open up this .zip file. If you're a Windows user, it's typically going to be right-click and then you select uncompress. If you're using a MacBook, you can just simply double-click on it and it'll uncompress it for you. So now I've got my folder. I double-click on the folder, and I'm going to have 3 files: the metadata file, the actual data file, and table notes. If I click open my data file, I'm going to right-click and I'll open this with Excel. MacBook, you could use numbers. I like Excel a little bit better for reasons that'll become known a little bit later on. But here it is. Here's the table. And you'll notice here's the GeoID. I've got another video which shows you how to reduce that GeoID from this. I think there's like 13, 14 characters in here. You want to reduce it just down to these bottom 5 on the right-hand corner. And the next video actually shows you how to do that. Okay, so that's it. Now you've got the data for the entire United States, every single county that's talking about HVACs, heating. And then we're going to use this data for our project. So that's it. Thanks a lot. Any questions, please just let me know.